Vision, a world-class polytechnic university. Mission, produce globally competent human capital and research innovation for quality lives. Core values, love of God and country, social responsibility, commitment, and dedication to service and accountability. Goals, develop and sustain the cultures of innovation, collaboration, responsiveness, and excellence. Objectives, pursue activity engagement in research and developments to the new products and technologies. Second, create a new technologies for utilization by industries for economic productivity and transformation of lives and communities. Third, establish a strong network of private and public industry, academy, partnerships, and fourth, develop and strengthen digital and micro-credential education, and fifth, develop highly engaged employees and students with gender lens perspective responsive to the changing needs of time. That's all.